Today I'm going to show you how to create a SchoolNet test through PowerSchool. So the first thing you want to do is head to the website. Now make sure you go to the teacher login home base. I'm going to punch in my username and password. Then this is what your main screen will look like. Now over here on the left side you're going to click on SchoolNet. And it should pop up here, and at the top there's going to be a little thing that says assessment. So I've got, this is my main screen, and then right here it says assessments. So I'm going to click there. And this site seems to have its good days and bad days. It's moving pretty quickly. Now over here on the right side it says find an item, create a test, or create an item. I'm going to create a test. This seems the easiest and most efficient. Create an express test. So over here on the left side I'll click start now. And I'm just going to title mine Math Geometry. Scroll down here, look for what your subject is, pick the grade level. Then I'm going to scroll down. I normally don't change anything here. I'll just go to select standards. So I'll try and create these, once a week or at least once every 2 weeks. Now here you'll pick your subject. So I would be K through 12 mathematics. And right down here pop up the objectives. So if I'm currently working on geometry, I can click here. If I expand, I can kind of see the different standards here, but I'm just going to pick the main one. Now over here it shows how many test items there are. So there's 285 in geometry. I'm going to add to test map. And then I'll pick the amount of items I want. So I normally start with a higher number because on the next screen I'm going to get rid of some test items I don't want. Now if I'm actually giving them something that needs to take a long time, or I might want them to see more of the problems, I might make it a little bit bigger, but we're going to use 20 right now. I'll go to Build Express Test. And to create these, it'll take under 5 minutes. Now down here, it'll show the problems, the standard that aligns to the question. And what I normally do if I'm not working on a certain type of standard, I might just click remove from test. And I typically go down through and I might get rid of 4 or 5 questions. That's why I always start with a larger amount than what I actually want. So if I want to give them a 10-question quiz, I might just put 15 items. Then once I'm done, all right, you can make it public and share it and have it set for them to test. But what I normally do is I'll just make a PDF file. And down here in the bottom left-hand corner, it should pop up. Now I'm working on a Mac, which is a little bit different than a PC. But just like that, I create an assessment. And now I can pass these out. I can put them up on the board. And to save paper, I normally do 2 pages per page, front, back, and have the students work on them. And the last and final thing here, over here also on the left side, you can download the answer key. So both the test file and I found that PDF seems to work better than the Word. And then here would be the answer choices. And that is it.